Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss how to connect your Sawgrass printer using a USB cord. The first step is to open Sawgrass Print Utility. Once you are ready to connect your printer, select the Add Printer option from the homepage or the Devices tab within Print Utility. This will then launch the installation process. You will then follow through the prompts and choose to add the device with your preferred connection method. Please carefully follow the instructions and only connect your printer and power it on when instructed to do so. Please also keep in mind that Sawgrass printers are only compatible with USB 2.0. Once you have finished the initial connection, you do not need to stay connected unless it is time to print. That's all for today. See you next time.